Theodore tries to make a break for it at the Seattle International Airport. He's like a rogue frog. Oh, rogue frog. Not to be trusted. Not to be trusted. Huh? His poor feet. It drags them. Pretty cute. Pretty cute.